Hey guys, what's going on? It's Holly here. Just checking in. We're camping right now in the tent. Amanda here is in the crevice of. Yeah, she's fucking shitting her pants right now in the crevice of our two mattresses that we kindly invited her into. And then Kylie wants me to go get her stupid gummies out of the car. I'm dying. But yeah, this is how it's been going so far. I fainted yesterday.
Oh my god.
So it's been going great.
She got swept off her feet also.
I got swept off my feet
By the initial J.
by the initial J. Alright, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll keep you posted on these fucking, I don't even know what to call them. Catch you in the next vid. And make sure to ring the bell.
So freaking comfortable.
Alright, bye guys. Love you.